Hi all and welcome back to Oligo Models. Today we're going to be looking at stage 3 of build the Mitsubishi A6M Zero Fighter from Agora Models. So looking what we've got in this stage, we're going to be building some more of the cylinder heads or jugs. That's what we built last time. Looks like we've got 2 more to do, and then the details go on the top of them. We've got another portion of the engine cowling that will go around the outside of the engine. We've got this piece here, which I believe we're going to fit to the inside of the cowling here, and then we've got over here we've got this piece of detailing here, which we're not actually going to use in this issue. So with all of those parts laid out, let's build this. So the first thing to do in this stage is we're going to build these cylinder blocks again. So we're going to take our glue, put a drop on each of those holes there, then line it up with the pegs from this piece, and push those together like that. We'll do the same again. Drop of glue, take the other piece, and the pegs lined up, push them together like that. We'll then bring in the details that go on the top. So applying a small drop of glue to the top of each side in the peg, or the hole where the peg's going to go. We're going to take our detail like this, and we're going to slot it in, making sure it does go in the correct way. So that's one. I'm going to take one for the other side now. Already put the glue in, and this will just slot in like that. So we'll do the same again for the other one. Tiny bit of glue, find the slot and push it in. Doing the same on the other side. And there we go, we've got the 2 cylinders in the jugs all complete. And so bringing the crankcase back in, we worked on last time, we're going to put the 2 jugs that we've just made into the 2 slots labelled C. So one in there, and then one in there. Don't worry, if you are building this and they do fall out, you are able to know which one is which. Don't worry about there, as hopefully you might be able to see on the camera is just here on each of these pieces we've just made, there is a letter, either C or D, so you will be able to replace it. So we can now put that piece to one side, as we don't need that again. So with those bits out of the way, we can bring back in the engine cowling that we put to one side. Noticing we've got the 2 pegs here on the bottom of it. We're then going to bring in this piece, which looks like it's probably part of an air intake system. Again, on the bottom we can see we've got the 2 holes that are going to fit over these 2 pegs on here. So it wants us to take a bit of glue, so we'll bring that back over, place some onto the 2 pegs, with that there, we're then going to place this over those pegs and push it down. It'll look just like that. So if we then bring back in the piece of cowling from stage 2 that we didn't use, we can see that we've got the magnets on there. And again, the piece that we've just worked on, we can see we've got the magnets. So this should just slot together and hold together like so. And again, simply just pulls apart. We'll put those together and it can sit just like that. And that is another stage and another video complete. Don't forget, if you like the video, make sure you do leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed and you want to be kept up to date with all of my builds, make sure you click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Until next time, take care.